Hello, and welcome to an e-demo on the new video intelligence types in VideoEdge 4.6. So VideoEdge 4.6 then introduces two new video intelligence types, that is queue analysis and crowd formation. And today we're going to take a look at configuring alarm rules for both of those. So the first thing we need to do is sign into the VideoEdge administrative interface as an admin user. And as always then with any form of video analysis, the first thing to do is to enable it on the camera. So I'm just going to choose the setup icon next to this Illustra 600, and from the video analysis drop down I'm going to choose video intelligence. I just choose an appropriate recording mode and then go ahead and save that. And once it's enabled on the camera then we can go ahead and create our alarm rules. So I'm just going to choose alarms from the devices menu, then I'm going to choose the camera from the select video drop down, and then I can go ahead and create a rule on this camera by choosing the plus icon. First thing we need to do then is give our new rule a name. So I'm going to call it long queue because this is a queue analysis alarm, and what I want it to do is alert whenever the queue reaches a defined length of long. And we can go ahead then and choose queue analysis as the video intelligence type from the drop down. Okay, so the queue analysis video intelligence type then requires three regions of interest to be drawn. That is short, medium and long. And you can see we have options for that over in the region of interest area over on the left hand side. So I'm going to go ahead and choose short, and I'm going to draw the region that is defined as a short queue. So when the queue is forming in this area, we're going to call that a short queue. And go ahead and do the same for a medium queue, and finally for a long queue then. And the next thing I need to do then is choose which queue length will actually trigger this alert. So there's 5 options. The alert can be triggered when the queue is empty, when it is not empty, or when it is short, medium or long. And I'm going to go ahead and choose long then because I want to be alerted when the queue reaches this pink area. Now our rule is configured, I can go ahead and save it, and then it will be triggered whenever the queue reaches that area. Okay, so now we can go ahead and create a crowd formation rule. So the crowd formation video intelligence type can alert whenever a crowd is formed and then whenever it reaches a certain number of people. So I'm just going to choose the plus icon to create the rule, and I'm going to give it a name of crowd of 25 plus because I want this alarm to be triggered whenever the crowd forms of 25 or more people. I'm just going to choose crowd formation from the alert type, and then I can go ahead and draw my region of interest where the crowd will form. Once I've done this, I can use this slider then to choose a value, and I'm going to choose 25 as the minimum crowd size. And once I've done that, I can just go ahead and save.